In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, a mysterious hum has baffled residents for decades. This low frequency sound, known as the Taos hum, is heard by only 2% of the population. What's truly fascinating is that scientists have found no definitive source for this sound, despite extensive research. Some speculate it's due to unusual geological formations, while others blame secret government projects. The hum is so persistent that it has even driven some residents to move away. Yet, for those who hear it, the hum remains an unsolved enigma, a constant reminder of nature's mysteries. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing stories.